Hi there, I'm Tommy, and boy, do I have a story for you. So, I was at the zoo and everything was normal until I saw this huge elephant looking funny. His trunk was all wiggly and his eyes were getting bigger and bigger. I was like, uh-oh, I think he's gonna... And then, achoo! It was the biggest sneeze ever. Everything went flying. People and animals were zooming through the air like superheroes. When it was over, everyone looked so silly with their messy hair. And the elephant? He just stood there looking super embarrassed. It was the craziest day at the zoo ever.